How to fix a game not working on startup. If your game isn't opening or keeps getting stuck on startup, here are a few quick fixes you can try. First, restart your PC. It sounds simple, but many temporary issues get fixed just by restarting the system. Next, open your game launcher, like Steam, Epic Games, or EA, select the game, and look for the Verify or Repair option. This checks your game files and fixes anything that's corrupted. After that, go to your desktop, right-click on the game's shortcut, choose Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run as Administrator and disable full-screen optimizations, then apply the changes. This helps the game run more smoothly on Windows. Now update your graphics drivers. If you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, open their app and install the latest drivers. Outdated drivers are a common reason games don't launch. Finally, go to Settings, System, Display, Graphics, select your game, and set it to high performance so it uses your main GPU. Once you've done all these steps, launch the game again. Most of the time, this solves the startup problem instantly. If this helps, like and follow for more quick fixes.